So guys, we are back on the farm. We are looking at the new planter and the used fertilizer thing over there, and the planter that my uncle recently bought. Here's both of these. Nice things. It is a John Deere 1775 NT on the John Deere 8320r. Oh, it's got exact emerge. Exact emerge is basically where you can come around each year and get on the exact same spot that you were on the year before. And then we got all that stuff back there. And this thing has center fill. Wonder if we can go up the back. Had to set the phone down, you guys, so you are going to not be able to see much. So we're up here now. Got all our stuff. Go this way to unlock it. Or you go that way to unlock it. God, please. Just want you guys to see inside. Then we got the fertilizer tank, the liquid one. Here's what it looks like. Looks good. Then I'm gonna have to set you guys to get down again so I can get off. Ooh. Then we will go check out the new fertilizer thing. This is a John Deere 320r. This thing was not around when I did the video of the farm equipment because it was in the shop with that thing on it at P&K that day that I did that one video. So I'll get inside here, show you guys a little bit about it. Here's a wire receiver. Here's what it is. Got the pedal down there on the floor and you go from clutch to forward to reverse, and here'd be neutral, here'd be park, here's your RPMs, auto steer, hydraulics, nothing in there. Here's basically a view. And see, this thing is from P&K. Gollies, I still don't think I got the door shut. There, I might have finally. And this thing, if the air seeder was here, then I'd show you it. But this thing is basically going to put, what do you call it? Seeds down, plus anhydrous ammonia, which is liquid until it reaches air. It's the chemical symbol is NH3. If you guys want to search that up, it's got the discs, the what do you call them things? I don't know. I don't even know anymore. You got rippers, and the other cutters. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. These two pieces of equipment are great equipment, don't get me wrong. They're great. And that tractor's great too. They're all great because they're all John Deere's. John Deere is good. And we got this 8-bottom plow too over here. And the CX-15. But guys, there's this 4020 over here that I am going to try and get running. Said this thing be a big time hit if I could get it running, and I think I am. I'm pretty dang sure I'm getting it running. This thing would be a beauty. John Deere 4020 diesel. Need some new tires. Have to get those ordered in. But this is one of the ones that's like, you sit up here and the tires are almost up to the top of the seat. And it's like this weird look. And here's your seat. It's basically wood. You got the 2 big tires over here that are keeping you on, and you usually go out this way. You could go out either way though. And they said the motor in this thing locked up, so that means we will have to get a new motor, drop inside of it. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. As always, subscribe, like the video if you like them. We'll go on from there.